And great day, everybody, and welcome. We are here at the Inner Healing Retreat here in Sedona, Arizona, in our Transformation House, this beautiful space. And I'm joined today by one of our return practitioners, Leslie, and she's going to share with us a little bit more about her. And I think it's important for you to know the importance of having a practitioner in your life, someone that can pour into you and support you on your journey. So you're going to meet our practitioners that are here with us on today, and we're beginning with Leslie. Hello, love.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you.
Good. So you've been to the retreat before. So what makes you come back?
Well, the first time I was invited, I didn't know what to expect, but I knew it was going to be something awesome and something amazing. And we had a really small group of women that came from all over Alaska. Yeah, so it was awesome. And I was just so amazed at how everyone just gathered and got together and we connected in a way. We were allowed to just kind of be free and to let ourselves go. And then it was also an opportunity for learning and growing ourselves. And so I just wanted to come back and share that with a new group of women that we're going to be with this weekend here in Sedona.
Excellent. And I do agree that your input was something that's very, very much talked about a lot of times. So let's talk about your modality and also share with me your idea of what healing is.
Well, I'm a licensed reflexologist, and I have my own business, Soul Healing Reflexology. And for me, healing is really about releasing everything that no longer serves us. And what do I mean by what no longer serves us? What no longer is working for us. Our old ways of thinking, right? Our old ways of just going about what we do, how we do it, who we interact with, who's in our circle, right? And so a lot of times when we have a lot of negative energy, whether it be people or things that in our life, it puts burdens on us. And so when we release those burdens, when we allow spirit to come into our hearts, into our physical body, into ourselves, we are able to understand that those things that aren't good for us need to be released. And so that's what healing is for me, is getting rid of all of the junk.
All right now. Some of us got some big bags, right?
That's right.
At the end of the retreat, even between the retreats, we're throwing away things. I agree with you on that.
And we carry that junk with us sometimes all our lives, right? From the time we were children until we're adults. And so it's a process that we go through. Healing is a process.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's definitely a process. And I always tell people, sometimes you can bag up the junk,
That's right.
but people want to tug it along.
That's right.
And that's what I think we do here very well, to show them how to release that bag and let it go. Don't think about it anymore. Let's keep going. So tell us about your modality, reflexology, how that assists people with the healing.
Well, much like massage, it helps to release endorphins and stress. And so working with the feet, the hands, and the ears, we have pressure points that help to stimulate energy flow throughout the body. And so sometimes when we have blockages in our body, whether it be from pain, we could be suffering from chronic pain, we could just be suffering from stress and anxiety. What the pressure, releasing the pressure on the feet helps to do is to increase the energy in the body and to increase blood flow. But it also helps us to relax. And so the only way for the body to heal and to do what God created it to do is when we allow the body to relax. So reflexology is really all about just getting into a state of relaxation to allow healing to occur, right? And the manifestation of that is we're able to see, we feel better, we have more energy, right? Sometimes our pain is lessened as well too. And so it really is just a practice of just helping you to really relax and to just allow healing to occur. And that's what I hope.
And I can concur with that, because that's what you did for me.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you, if you have not experienced reflexology, it is a whole nother level. And I get massages as well. But when I do my reflexology appointments, I find that I have a much greater release and more of a long-term effect. So thank you, Leslie, for coming back. I appreciate it. If you want to know more about Leslie, again, her business is called Soul Healing. She's on Instagram.
I'm on Instagram, Soul Healing Reflexology AZ.
Okay.
And you can also find me on Facebook as well.
All right. So let's go out here. And also, you also can look for our Inner Healing website and links on Instagram as well to join us the next time for our next Inner Healing retreat.